Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my August Boxycharm unboxing. I'm going to get right into it. I got it a little bit later this month. Oh no! First thing that I see in here looks like it had a little issue in shipping. But let me go ahead and give you guys a little bit of details. Oh, this is actually really cute because I just went camping last week. And so the theme this month is something with camping or glamping. But yeah, I went camping last week, like actually in a tent in the woods, and I have a story highlight on my Instagram if you guys want to see a little bit more on that. Okay, so I'm really sad because this first thing, I have like foundation all over me now. But this is from QMS. Let me clean this up. This is the Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. All right, so I just cleaned it up and it actually is perfectly intact. I was a little worried that the cap like actually exploded or got damaged in some way where I wouldn't be able to use the product, but I really just had like a little bit of it spill out and it's perfectly intact, which makes me very, very happy because I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. And let's see, this shade is, does it say what shade they gave me? I don't know if it does say what shade it is, but I think this should work out. It's a little peachy, but I think it's supposed to be like a light tinted moisturizer. So I think that can work. It doesn't look like too light or too dark. It just looks like a little bit peachier than I like, but that is tinted moisturizer. Now I have it all over my card, but oh my gosh. Oh, this is $105. So whatever came off, like all this mess that came off on my makeup wipe was probably 20 bucks. I'm sad now, but this is QMS Medi Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. I think it's like one of those moisturizers that have skincare qualities to them. So yeah, officially the theme of this box is glamping, and I'm actually planning another camping trip. Like that's like my new thing. Starting this month, we're gonna go camping again in a few weeks, and maybe I'll like vlog it. I don't know for YouTube, but at least I'll do like a bunch of like Instagram reels in case you guys are interested, because I find it very interesting. Anyways, so next up we have some brushes from Morphe. I love Morphe brushes. I use them every single day. This is a 4-piece eye brush collection. I haven't gotten anything from Morphe in a long time. So this is, it has an oval shadow brush, blending crease brush. I wonder if I have this one already. Tapered mini blender and an angled liner. I'm excited for this because let's see the price on it. Oh, it's only $12. I keep forgetting like Morphe's like super, super affordable, but like this brush, I'm totally gonna use this every day at least, and probably this one too, like these two kind of transition shade brushes. This flat brush, maybe I'll use. My favorite flat brush I use all the time from Morphe is this one I used today. Morphe M124. I still have to look at the name even though I use it every single day for the last 5 years. These don't have numbers on them, so maybe like in a little exclusive to this collection, but all for 12 bucks, and I'm actually gonna use every single one of these because I already know that I like Morphe brushes. Next up, this is, oh, Butter London Teddy Boy. Oh, this actually looks really cute. The shades here. This is an eyeshadow palette. So this palette retails for $28. Let's see what it looks like. Here, let me open this like this. Oh, okay. This looks like a Tarte palette, doesn't it? Like it definitely gives me like Tarte Pro Glow palette vibes. And just the layout reminds me of Tarte so much. I'm not going to swatch this because I don't think this is going to be a go-to palette for me. It's very cool toned. So I am gonna pass this along. I don't wanna waste a palette by swatching it if I know I'm not gonna wear it. But it actually looks more exciting back here. It looks like it has more like gold and green, but realistically it's just like dark brown and stuff, and it doesn't really have a lot of shimmer shades to it. Let me know if you guys like any makeup products from Butter London. I know they're like really big with their nail polish, but I don't really get excited about their makeup. And then next up, oh, everything is covered in the, oh no, everything's covered in the foundation. But this is a Kohl marker pen. It says Big Fat Liner. All right, so this is just a black liquid liner, but it has a thicker point to it. So you could probably get like just a thicker cat eye with this liner. Yeah, you're not gonna get something that's like super tiny and precise. Maybe you can, let me try. But I think I would use, yeah. I would definitely use a different eyeliner if you like something like really, really small. I don't, so maybe this will be a little bit easier to do eyeliner. You could do it in like one sweep, like one little flick, and it'll be a little bit quicker. So I'm definitely gonna try this out. So I'll definitely be using that one. I haven't heard of that brand, and it retails for $25. I feel like this box is so random. It has some good items, but they're definitely random. And then lastly, this is from Milk. These are cooling eye patches. I was actually really hoping this was gonna be like a makeup product from Milk. I was excited to see this brand in here because it is a brand that I like, but I haven't tried enough products from, and I want to try more from. Yeah, so these are cooling water eye patches. They retail for 22 bucks. And you get a bunch of them. This is the one thing that actually like makes sense. Actually, I guess the tinted moisturizer does as well. Maybe, I don't know. I didn't go glamping. I went camping, and I was like covered in dirt from being in the woods. I was not wearing any makeup, so but maybe I will bring these next time I do actually go camping. So cooling eye patches. I actually love eye patches. I have like a little station of them, or a little like container of them that I have on my desk to throw them on in the morning. But that is everything in my Boxycharm this month. Definitely this is gonna make the value of the box a lot higher since it's $105. So let me go ahead and add up the value of everything. The value of my box this month is $192. Definitely this is the bulk of the price. The brushes are only $12 for the whole pack, and it might actually be one of my favorite things in the box because I actually really like Morphe brushes. I use them all the time, or every time I do my makeup actually. And I'm cool with the eye patches. I'm happy to get something from Milk, but I just wish it was a makeup product. For sure, I'm not gonna hang on to the eyeshadow palette. I think that it's okay, even if it was colors that I don't even mind. The colors are fine, but it just doesn't look like anything special that I want to hang on to. And then the eyeliner is just another filler product. I'm gonna use it, but yeah, I think that if I like the tinted moisturizer, then that makes a whole box worth it, especially if it's a $105 product. Let me know if you guys have heard of the brand QMS Medi Cosmetics. Yeah, I've never heard of it, but if it says it's $105, I'm hoping that it is at least worth it, or at least that I like it, hopefully, and that makes the box a little bit more worth it. But anyways, that is everything for my Boxycharm for this month. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I do have an affiliate link with them. I will leave it in my description box, and definitely let me know what you guys ended up getting in your boxes this month. Oh, and I have the number 14 is my box, and I forgot to tell you guys the weight of my box. Let me see if it says it on here. It doesn't say it on here, I'm sorry. I will leave it in my comment section. But that's everything from box. Let me know what you guys end up getting in the comments below. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.